Uma muthenya wa mbere wa mbitika cia ucagurani na iria ciatinda cikihanikira kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku Nairobi. Hamwe na mahenya maria matabanirio ni ihenya ria mita 5,000 mwena wa arume na airitu, mita 1,500, mita 800 gatagati-ini ka mahenya mangi. Athaki aria megucagurwo mihang'o-ini ino ya thiku 3 riu mekwiyongerera hari athaki 91 aria macaguritwo kwa ihinda riri.
The basic reason of hosting these pre-trials, you know that most of our athletes have not had a chance to compete in various races, both in Europe and also in Kenya here. Because of COVID-19, we have never had an opportunity to organize many races for them. So this is important for those athletes who have already qualified for the Olympics to try and see how far they have gone in the preparation for the last leg of the Olympic trials. So far, most of those who have qualified are also here, and we hope that they will be ready for the trials next month.
Makocha ateng'eri nao ni maugite king'uki gia COVID-19 ni kiraigite ateng'eri matari hamwe no makauga mari na mwihoko munene wa mbitika cia Olympics.
Athlete wamekuwa wakikimbia kule individually kwa sababu hatukuwa na ile monitoring ya kukaa na wale vile tunakaanga awali. Vile wametana saa hii at the moment, hii ilikuwa ni mzuri kwao wasigie hii track kwa sababu wamekaa bila kukimbia.
Na kuri ateng'eri ethi mutang'eri wa tene Douglas wa Kiihuri igwite kuri na mwihoko munene kuri ateng'eri aria nini guku bururi-ini na aria maretuma riu na njira nene.
Federal ni nguone kiambata Tokyo tondu hari marathon ndirona twina Eliud, twina Bridget na ni mateng'erire wega Olympic ya Korea Brazil ya Rio, uguo ndina mwihoko na kirigiriro ati tuthie Tokyo ri no tugucinda gold.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.
Sekunde 21